Hey guys, I'd like to show you what I make with my leftover meatballs. Stay tuned. Welcome to Tiny Kitchen, Big Flavor. Let's get started. So today I'm going to be making some corn flour pasteles. And this is what my leftover meatballs, I went ahead and ran it through my food processor. All I did to it was add some raisins, chopped onions, and bell peppers. And I did red, yellow, and green. And that's all I did. And I kind of sauteed it a little bit. What I am going to need for la masa is I have here 2 cups of corn flour. Do not mistake it by cornmeal. Very different. The corn flour says it all. It's very fine. So that's what you want. I have 2 tablespoons of cane sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and roughly 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to be adding some water to it, and depending on the consistency I would want, depends on how much water I will add. Here I have some banana leaves that I had prepared a while ago and had it in the freezer. That's what I'm going to be using to wrap it in. And then I'm going to wrap it with this so I don't have to tie it up. And I think that's about it, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and get this thing started here. I'm going to start adding a little bit of water and mixing it. And then I'll show you what the consistency should look like. You don't want it too runny, but you don't want it too thick either. And you don't want it too greasy, because the meat does have a little bit. See that? Can you tell how? That's what I'm looking for. Okay guys, so we are ready to start assembling. Here are my leaves. The other thing that I wanted to mention, the rough side of your leaf goes to the faces the bottom, okay? So, and then you're going to add, it doesn't have to be this kind of oil. This is the Bijol oil, which is like achote oil. The only reason you're adding the oil, it is to keep the pastel from sticking to the leaf. I'm using this oil because I already had it done. And you don't want to add a lot of the filling. I get the feeling I'm going to have to make more filling, to be honest, but we'll see. Now, let me just say that I've never made this before. I've made them fried, but I've never made them like pastel, like this. So this is going to be new to me as well. So all we're going to do is take a little bit of our filling and put it on there. You don't have to add the raisins. If you don't like raisins, that is perfectly fine. I add it because I like it. So I think this needs to be thicker. This needs to be a little bit thicker. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. Make sure that it is thicker. So this is all you do. Let me add a little bit more of the flour to this and make 2 just to see how it turns out. I'll bring it back in. Okay, so I added more flour, more of the corn flour. And you see that? Look. I think it'll be better this way. Again, let me do another one, and we're going to cook it just to make sure. I don't want to use all my ingredients and then have it flop. So, okay, so I made a ball, and now I'm just going to spread it. It's a little bit better because it doesn't kind of fall apart like the other one was too runny. So let's cross our fingers and hopefully it'll turn out. Okay guys, so I wrap a couple of them. I think I have about 4 or 5 here. And all I did is put water to boil and I dropped them in there. And I'm going to give it like 40 minutes and we'll check back. And fingers crossed they'll come out. Hey guys, moment of truth. And so far, I am liking what I see. What do you think? If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, guys.